On the off chance that you're searching for Bitgert cost expectations, gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and explicitly need to as far as plans and purposes might be aware where the costs of Bitgert will in every practical sense go from now on. We will for the most part examine the previous costs of Bitgert and will figure out what specialists truly are talking about its future cost activity, which is genuinely critical. If it's not too much trouble, certainly remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every expectation with the goal that this, all things considered, is just the idea of some market master, experts, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking, also anticipating something so amazing as totally incomprehensible. Yet, we will in a real sense make an honest effort, in spite of prevalent thinking. How about we explicitly start Bitgert past value investigation? As per the in every practical sense, most recent information accumulated, the extremely current cost of Bitgert by and large is $0. Brise is right now explicitly positioned number 158 in the genuinely whole crypto environment, which is genuinely huge. The flow supply of Bitgert for the most part is 395, 688, 215, 721, 653 with a market cap of $174,933,260. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto certainly has been diminished by 6.36% in its essentially current worth, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Assuming we especially think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Brise with yesterday, you can see that the market cap is likewise down, or so they thought. Bitgert basically is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins. The Brise in every way that really matters is down to nearly 11.83% in the all things considered most recent 7 days. The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could explicitly major areas of strength for have yet. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in beautiful present moment, or so they essentially thought. We foresee future Bitgert cost expectations. Brise figure by applying genuinely profound computerized reasoning helped specialized investigation on the especially past value information of Bitgert. We truly give a valiant effort to gather extremely greatest verifiable information for the Brise coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like kind of past value, Bitgert market cap, Bitgert volume and sort of scarcely any more. Assuming that you are looking to, in every practical sense, put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need especially great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our expectations for the most part. Bitgert value expectation 2023 according to the gauge and specialized examination. In 2023, the cost of Bitgert sort of is supposed to reach at a very least value worth of $0. The Brise cost can in a real sense arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0, the by and large normal worth of $0. Bitgert value forecast 2024. The cost of Bitgert is basically anticipated to reach at an essentially least degree of $0 2024 amazingly. The Bitgert cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0, the typical cost of $0 through 2024, or so they thought. Brise value figure for 2025 according to the gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2025, the cost of Bitgert is anticipated to reach at an essentially least degree of $0. The Brise cost can sort of arrive at a by and large greatest degree of $0, the especially normal exchanging cost of $0. Bitgert value expectation 2026 as per our profound specialized examination on truly past value information of Brise. In 2026, the cost of Bitgert basically is estimated to be at around and in every practical sense, least worth of $0. The Bitgert value worth can truly arrive at a by and large limit of $0, the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0 USD. In an unpretentious manner, Bitgert value forecast 2027. The cost of Bitgert basically is anticipated to reach at a very least worth of $0 2027. The Bitgert cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0, the very normal exchanging cost of $0 through 2027 in a significant manner, or so they thought. Bitgert value expectation 2028 as per our profound specialized examination on in every practical sense, past value information of Brise. In 2028, the cost of Bitgert generally is anticipated to especially reach at least degree of $0 in unpretentious manner. The Brise cost can in every way that really matters arrive at an especially greatest degree of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0. Bitgert value expectation 2029. The cost of Bitgert is somewhat anticipated to generally reach at any rate worth of $0 2029. The Bitgert cost could sort of arrive at a very greatest worth of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0 through 2029, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitgert value gauge 2030. The cost of one Bitgert sort of is supposed to reach at any rate level of $0 2030. The BRISE cost can really arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $0, the typical cost of $0 through 2030 in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert value expectation 2031 Bitgert cost is figured to truly arrive at an especially the most reduced truly conceivable degree of $0 2031, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. According to our discoveries, the BRISE cost could especially arrive at an exceptionally most extreme truly conceivable degree of $0, the kind of typical gauge cost of $0, which in every practical sense is very critical in a significant manner. Bitgert value expectation 2032 Bitgert cost truly is gauged to truly arrive at a kind of the most minimal kind of conceivable degree of $0 2032. According to our discoveries, the BRISE cost could for the most part arrive at an especially greatest by and large conceivable degree of $0, the typical conjecture cost of $0, which in a real sense is very huge. What will be the BRISE outright most noteworthy gauge cost for 2023 in a genuinely large manner? The BRISE cost basically is supposed to arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $0 the finish of 2023. How high could Bitgert at any point go? The for the most part normal cost of Bitgert could go to $0 the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effectively sort of come to the $0 genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. What in a real sense is the Bitgert cost today, or so they fundamentally thought. Today Bitgert is exchanging at $0, the market cap of $174,933,260 in an unobtrusive manner. How essentially will Bitgert fundamentally be especially worth in 5 years, which truly is very critical. In 5 years, Bitgert will truly have a base cost of $0 and especially most extreme cost of $0 BRISE, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Since Bitgert is exchanged on an organic market premise, its worth vacillates radically. How by and large much does Bitgert cost in 2024? The cost of Bitgert will increment as additional financial backers explicitly engage in the task, which especially is genuinely huge. In year 2024, Bitgert will be essentially worth about a normal cost of $0. How much will Bitgert be worth in 2030, which is genuinely huge? As far as value, Bitgert generally has an exceptional fundamentally potential to arrive at new levels in a very significant manner basically. It is figured that BRISE will increment in esteem, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking, as indicated by beautiful explicit specialists and business examiners. Bitgert can raise a ruckus around town cost of $0 2030, which is genuinely huge. What in every way that really matters is the eventual fate of Bitgert. The fate of Bitgert fundamentally is profoundly really reliant upon the general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into BRISE, you really want to for the most part ensure that you are utilizing the right system. This sort of venture isn't appropriate for those with an uneven gamble profile. Notwithstanding, it especially is as yet a phenomenal venture for the individuals who have a sort of high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its speculative